friends, welcome back. Let's jump on into our math paper for today. You should have a pencil, an eraser, your whiteboard, a marker, and your math paper right in front of you. Page 279, we're looking at subtraction with problem solving of word problems today, okay? We're going to read the first one together. Before we jump right in, though, I want to talk to you and remind you that when you're doing a word problem, you need to look for the important information, okay? It's numbers and also a question, an important question of what they want you to do. What is it that they're asking of you, right? What information do you need to know? I want you to look up here. These are some clue words to know when you should do subtraction or when you should do addition. Some of the words for a subtraction problem are going to be less, fewer, how many are left, or how many more. Whenever you see that in the bottom question, right away that should jump out and stick out and say, oh, I know we're doing subtraction. What about addition? When you know it's addition that they're asking you to do, when you see all together, in all, more than, and how many. When they ask you the question, how many, or how many did they have all together? That's addition. They're asking you to add. Okay, friends, let's go ahead and start reading the first one. Mr. Weaver has 33 birds in his pet shop. 19 of those birds can talk. The question is, how many cannot talk? Well, do you guys see any important information there? Oh, what was that, Lydia? Circle it. Very good. Circle the first number. Is there anything else that you see there? Alexander, another number? Very good. All right, Olivia, anything else that we should highlight, underline maybe? Yes, the question, how many cannot talk? That is very important because it's asking you what to do, right? This is what they want you to do. How many cannot talk? Well, they're giving us two numbers, 33 and 19, but the question is how many cannot talk? So there's kind of a difference there, right? There's some that can talk, some that can't. So we have a whole number. All of the birds that they have in the pet shop, okay, is 33. And then they have a part of the birds that can talk, which is 19, and we need to figure out what the other part is. So if you thought we were going to subtract, you are exactly correct. We are subtracting. Oh, but there's kind of a problem here. This number 9 is bigger than the number 3 here. What on earth, Macy, are we supposed to do now? Yes, regroup. Very good. The first thing you need to do is borrow from the tens. The tens have 3. We're going to subtract one of those, make the 3 a 2, and in the ones, we'll make our 3 a 13. Now, you might notice I'm writing it to the side. Usually, we write it up top, but there wasn't much room, so Ms. Warner did it kind of off to the side here, okay? Don't get confused. 13 take away 9. Can we do it? Yes, we can. Ion, very good. 13 take away 9. Well, we can count up from 9 to 13 or count backwards. Let's count backwards because we haven't done that in a while. Start from 13 and count back to 9. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. There's a difference of 4 there. And 2 take away 1 is 1. Very good. So how many birds cannot talk? 14. 14 balloons? Is that what we're talking about? Flowers? 14 dolls? Oh, you're right. 14 birds. Make sure you label it. Very good, friends. We're going to go ahead and do the first 3 that are on the front part of your page, and then I'm going to give you a chance to continue all by yourself, okay? Right on the back, it's asking you to do the exact same thing. But first, we have to determine, the first step is read the word problem, okay? Second step is circle the important numbers and underline the question. All right, that's step 2. Step 3, you're going to determine by your question, you can look at these words also if you need to remember or some help, and we have to determine whether we're adding or subtracting, okay, based on the question that they're asking us here. Once we do that, we can circle addition or subtraction, and then we can get straight to work. Now, you might notice that my number one doesn't have addition or subtraction just yet. We have to read the word problem and see what they're asking us to do. Let's go ahead and read it together. You read it at home while I'll read it out loud. Mr. Weaver had 27 goldfish in a tank. He placed 15 more fish in the same tank. How many fish are in the tank? 15 more? That's a big clue. What do you think it's asking us to do? Well, first of all, we need to circle the important information. Go ahead and get your pencil and circle 27 and then circle 15. He started with 27, then he added, added 15 more. So now how many fish does he have? Basically, they're saying all together, right? What do you think we need to do? Add or subtract? Yes, Mickey, we're going to add. Very good. So on the top, you're going to circle addition. And then you're going to write the problem down below. 27 plus 15. Remember, you can only use the information that they give you. We're not just going to make up numbers. We're going to use the numbers that they gave us in the word problem. Good job, first grade. You're amazing. 7 plus 5 more. Let's see, Josiah. 7 plus 5 more. Start from 7. Start counting from 7. Move up 5 spaces. Ready? 7. Remember, you say the word, you don't count the word. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Uh-oh. I have 12, but can we ever have 12 in the ones room? What are you supposed to do? Yes, you're right. If you said regroup, we haven't done this style of regrouping in a while because the regrouping we've been doing is subtraction, where we're taking the 10 and making it ones. This time we have to take it to the top, bro, right? Go ahead and take your number 1 to the top of the tens room. 2 plus 1. Oh, but wait, don't forget the one that we added, the one that we took to the top. So 1 plus 2 plus 1. 2, 3, 4. Your answer is 42. Good job, friends. Let's move on over to the next one. You read it with me as I read it aloud. There are 28 gerbils in the pet store. There are 34 hamsters. How many more hamsters are there? Let's look over here. Now, is it asking less, fewer, left, altogether, in all, or how many more? Good job. So what are they asking us to do? Add or subtract? Ooh, good guess. Subtract. So you're going to, I hope you remember to circle those numbers as we were reading along. Write them down in a problem, and you're going to add the subtraction sign. 34, take away 8. Uh-oh, I already see a problem. Do you see it, Alexander? Timmy, can you see the problem? How about you, Jaden? 4, take away 8. Can you do it, Docs? Nope, can't do it. So we must regroup. Good job. 3 becomes a 2. Our 4 becomes 14. Friends, you are amazing. 14 take away 8. David, are you with me? 14 take away 8. Well, we can count up from 8 to 14 or count backwards from 14 to 8. Let's see. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. What's the difference there? You're right, 6. And 2 take away 2. Hannah, what is 2 take away 2? You're right, 0. Do you have to write it? Oh, I almost wrote it. No, you don't have to. You don't have to. So the difference is 6. Very good. Let's go ahead and do the last one together really quickly before you move on to the back. Remember, you read it and you're circling the special and important, I almost said special sounds, silly Miss Werner. You're going to circle the important numbers and important information as I read it, all right? Calvin had 80 cents. He spent 55 cents on a box of fish. Oh, not a box of fish, a box of fish food. How much money does he have left? Well, let's think. 80 cents and 55 cents. Now, did someone give him something or did he buy something? Well, he had this money to begin with. Then he bought something, which means they take money when you buy, right? You're exchanging it for something. So what do you think? Let's go back to the question if we still have a doubt here. How much money does he have left? Well, are there any of those words? Oh, found it. Subtraction. We're going to subtract. So go ahead and circle the subtraction sign and make sure you add it over here to the side. Uh-oh, I can already see that there's a problem here. Oh, and also, I want to remind you, don't forget to write your cent sign. 0 take away 5. Can we do it, Macy? You're right. So we must do what? Let me see. Mickey, are you with me? What must we do? Nico, do you know what to do? Yes, regroup. Very good. Borrow from the tens. Our 8 becomes what, Jaden? 7. Our 0 becomes what, Doc? 10. Ion, what is 10? Take away 5. 5, good job. And David, what is 7? Take away 5. Yes, that's right, 2. Skylar, am I done? Did I remember everything I needed to do? Michael, you're so right. I forgot the cent sign. Good job. Okay, Skylar. What's our answer? 25 cents. Very good, friends. Okay, go ahead and flip your paper to the back. I want to show you something really quick. Some of these are going to be 2-step problems. Some of these are just 1-step problem. I want to remind you, well, first, I'm going to move out of the way so you can see all of these clue words here, all right? Use these clue words to help you. If you need to go back in the video, you may rewatch it again to look at the clue words to see what these are asking you. Remember, you circle the numbers and underline the question to help you see the important information in these word problems. All right, friends, I love you so much. We'll see you later, and we'll talk soon. Bye.